Namaskara, Ellargu Namaskaralu. This is Ashish Matthew. Welcome to another vlog. Alright, government is trying their level best to maintain transparency in the bed booking system. Okay, one such amazing improvement from the government is the latest BBMP portal, which clearly shows you the live dashboard of how many beds available in which all hospitals. Okay, it is a great improvement, probably one of the best portals, which clearly shows you the live changes. Okay, there are a lot of dashboards. Yesterday, Tejasvi Surya actually gave a presentation on it. The application looks a little complicated because it is a lot interrelated. Okay, so let me just make a small video for you guys how this particular application works. But let me just tell you, you cannot book your bed through this application. It is only to just view how many beds are available in which all hospitals and which all zones, and how many ICUs, what all are the bifurcations. Here we go. Let's get into this particular video very soon. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Bang that bell button next to you. So this is the portal, and the URL is apps.bbmpgov.in/code19/. So even I'm actually looking this portal for the first time, so I'm not very sure. Let's have a look how exactly it works. So when I actually scroll it down, yes, you can actually see the government quota. On the right side, you can see when exactly this particular application was actually refreshed. 21/5/2021. Now it is 10/33. Okay, so 10/33 it got uploaded and it was refreshed. Now government quota. We don't want how many quota beds are available. We just need the total net available beds. Okay, these are the admitted beds. So 4980. So this 4980 is bifurcated into four parts. That is general bed, HDU bed, and ICU bed, and the ventilator bed. So when you actually sum up this particular numbers, right? So this number, this number, this number, this number, you will get finally 4980. Now let me just. Now this is the total availability. Now we need to split it and see in which all hospitals are these beds available. Okay, it has been bifurcated into government hospital, private medical hospital, and government medical hospital. And if you scroll down, even this is bifurcated into government quota, admitted beds, block beds, and net available beds. So we are mainly focused on this particular area, right? That is the net available bed. Now let me just go ahead with the government hospital first. So now when I click on government hospital, as I told you before, all these dashboards are interrelated. Okay, so when I click on any of these, now let me just click on government hospital. So when I just click on this, automatically the data above also changes. It actually changes according to it. 285 hospitals, 285 beds are actually available. When I scroll it a little towards right side, you can actually see here that is 278 plus 7 is 285. Okay, this is the number. Okay, now as I've clicked on government, okay, now if you want to go back to the other hospital, that is just click on it, it actually comes back to the previous page. Please don't click on the back page. If you just click on the back page, it will exit out of this page. Now let me go to the private hospitals. I click on private hospitals, automatically the dashboard gets refreshed. The above dashboard also gets refreshed, so you can see the details which have actually changed here. Now we just saw an overview of private hospitals. Now we want to see which all are the hospitals which come under the private hospitals. Just scroll it down. You can see the hospital names and all these details here. Okay, so this dashboard looks a little complicated. Yeah, so you can see the hospitals available, which all are the Rainbow Hospital. Now you just click on this, again it gets refreshed. Now it gives you more details on this particular hospital. It is not generalized. Okay, only the Rainbow Hospital. Now if you just scroll it up, the data which is shown on the top dashboard is all related to the Rainbow Hospital, and also this is also Rainbow Hospital, this is also Rainbow Hospital. Just click on this, it comes back to the previous page. Okay, and you can actually click on, you just navigate towards right side, you get all the details. Now BBMP is also planning to bring up the next feature. As soon as I click on this rainbow, it should give me the nodal officer, the hospital person who is responsible for this particular hospital, and also the doctor name. Okay, all these details will be coming up in the next 2 days. The page gave us an idea of the net available beds. Okay, so the page 2, what it gives is, it shows us how many people or how many patients have been admitted and which all hospitals. Let me just click on next button. Okay, so now we'll leave this. So I don't think so this will be very much relevant for the people who are looking for a bed, but then too it is for your information. It gives you that the total number of admitted patients are 7457. Now how is it bifurcated? It is bifurcated based on, it is shown based on, see, different bar chart to se dara hai clear agi. Okay, so one bar chart is based on the bed type, general ward, HDU, and ICU ventilator. Based on this, if you actually sum these numbers up, right, if you actually sum these numbers up, it will come to 7457. Similarly, based on day, ivaga it was admitted today, 76 people have been admitted today, and last 1 to 10 days how many people have been admitted, 11 to 20 days back how many have admitted. If you actually sum all these things up, no, it will actually come to this particular number. And also another way of showing is based on the zones, which all are the zones. Okay, ee zone ella ನೀವು add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, okay, the same data will come, that is 7457. So, and one more thing is based on the hospitals. So it is a brilliant portal. Actually speaking, this many people have been admitted, okay, and it is shown us in different ways, different graphs. One is based on the bed type, the other one is days admitted, and based on zone and based on hospitals. I mean, it has been built really well. Now you want to see based on which all other hospitals based on the zones. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು let me just select ಯಾವುದದು BU South. ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೌತ್ ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 587 have been admitted. Now if you want to see based on the bed, just scroll it towards this side, you can see the data. ಯಾವ ಬೆಡ್ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ and which day have been admitted. Right side you can actually see which all are the hospitals available in BU South. Okay, let me just click on it again. On the nimsha, I click on BU South and you can see the hospital names being changed. So South Zonal Nividira and you want to go towards South Zone Hospital, you just take this graph, click on any of these hyperlinks, that is the BU South, automatically il barutte. So BU South tirga click madidre it will come back to the home page. So you can actually see. Now let me just scroll down. Okay, what are the other details available? ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 7 days 1 ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 4379. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡೇಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ people have admitted, and if you total all these, right, it will come to 4379. And same way admission type alli adu differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and also based on zone, and also based on the this is for the 7 days data. Okay, so ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಬೊಮ್ಮನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬೊಮ್ಮನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ which all are the hospitals available in ಬೊಮ್ಮನಹಳ್ಳಿ comes up here. Okay, last 7 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now let me just scroll it a little down. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. I just click on any of the filters, but the filter options are not yet implemented yet. So ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Alright, so now we actually saw this particular details about the admission. Now let's see about the bed changes. Okay, what have happened in the last 7 days, bed changes hengagide. Now ivaga onde nimisha, let me just click on this. So there is something known as daily bed changes. Istella daily change agide. Admitted patients istu patients discharge agidare. Bed changes ಆಗಿದೆ. Now coming to the step up and step down. What do you mean by step up and step down? Step down andre, okay, people have actually let me come to the step up. People have actually admitted to the hospital in general ward. So the next day they are serious, they go to ICU. The next day they are serious, they go to ICU. What do you call it as ICU ventilator. This is called as a step up process. Almost 1803 people have actually moved to the ICU. So going towards the higher level of risk, or the ICU is known as the step up. Step down andre people ವಾಸಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, from ICU ventilator they have actually come to ICU, then they have come to general ward, and then they have got discharged. So now based on this they have actually given this particular detail, that is step up and step down. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲಲ್ಲಿ BU ಬೊಮ್ಮನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಆನೇಕಲ್ ತಾಲೂಕು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಆನೇಕಲ್ ತಾಲೂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 69 people have stepped down, ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವಾಸಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, and 2 on 3 people very bad, that they actually gone up. That means that they have gone to the serious condition. So this is how it works. And also ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ನೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, and you can actually see the hospital names in the Aanekal taluk. So let me just scroll down. Last 7 days discharge adu super ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಕ್ಕತ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ 5527. Okay, daily discharge, bed discharge, zone discharge, hospital discharge. Very very simple guys. Okay, please play around this particular application and you will get a lot of information on it. And just one important point which I wanted to add here is ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 92 total block bed in the ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What do you mean by 92? Means people are on the verge of booking this particular beds, okay, or admit ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is what. So this particular point means that they are about to get admitted. Okay, it may be blocked or not. That was a very detailed way of showing you how the portal works. Okay, thanks to Infosys, iSpirit, and also the the e-governance founders, okay, who have actually helped the BBMP in developing this particular application. Remember, guys, the contact details of the application of the hospitals have not been implemented yet, and also some more improvements are supposed to be done in the application. The responsiveness is really good, okay, and also the changes, the dynamic changes of the details and the data is also very good. The scripting has been done in a very, very efficient way. Definitely they have tested it, but there are some small glitches as well, like filters are not working, okay. And also, as I told you, enhancement yet to come, contact details inu barbodu. Important point here is you cannot book the beds, okay. This is just to see how many beds are available. You cannot book a bed through this particular application. Keep that in mind. So thank you so much, BBMP. Thank you so much, government, for giving this wonderful application. I hope this will be helpful for a lot of people who are actually well versed in using this application. If not, please watch this particular video. It will be very easy for you guys. Thank you so much. This is Ashish Matthew. I just took my time to understand how the application works. Thanks a lot. Jai Karnataka Mate. Jai Hind. Bye bye. Take care.